For many years, the stone house next to Samir's house had stood empty. When Samir asked his mother about it, she would say, "Ah, what a pity." Before the war, nobody cared who was of one religion and
Loudly.
who was of another. But when the fighting started, things changed. Our neighborhood felt uneasy because they were different from most of the village. So they left. What a pity. Now thank God, now thank goodness the long war was over. At last, the family who owned the house was coming back.
Very good.
The old olive trees are made lived
Against the
against the
stone
stone
wall
wall is
stood
stood
between
between the two houses and
watched
watch every move in the
yard
yard next door. People
were
were
carrying
carrying
mattresses,
mattresses, chairs,
saucepans,
saucepans, everything needed to
bring
bring a house back to live.
life. Huh? Sit down. Read.
Always every year she
Picked
pickled many jars with lemons and hot pepper, and his family had enjoyed those olives for as long as Samir could remember.
next.
But now he wondered whether that
Might.
might changing too.
Next.
The neighbors soon settled back into their house. They were always polite, but they did not return visits or the welcoming gifts of fruit and sweets. Samir heard his parents say that they
Still seem
seemed
to feel
uneasy.
Plants that do not bear flowers are called non-flowering plants. Ferns are examples, such of plants that cannot make seeds, but instead reproduce by producing spores. Like a seed, a spore can fall to the ground and grow into a new plant. Adult ferns grow and release spores. A spore grows into a small organism with both male and female parts. A young fern grows when the cells from the male and female parts fuse. Once a pollen lands on the stigma of a flower, a series of events will occur leading to fertilization. The fusion of the male reproductive cell with the egg cell is called fertilization. After fertilization, the sepal and petals of the flower wither. The ovary develops into a flower, and each ovule becomes a seed.
again. Ovary.
Ovary develops into a fruit, and each ovule becomes a seed. Pollens land on the surface of the stigma. Each pollen produces a pollen tube. This tube grows down from the stigma through the style and to the ovary. The ovule is found in the ovary of the flower. Inside each ovule is an egg cell.
Next, third step.
When the pollen tube reaches the ovule, the male reproductive cell in the pollen tube fuses with the egg cell.
Example pomegranate is there. Can you read that also? The blue color box.
This one. A pomegranate flower is changing to a pomegranate fruit. The seeds are in the fruit.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Lesson 3, Leaving the village. At times, families have to migrate from one place to another. Some migrate to new cities to find better jobs or better schools for their children. Sometimes, people are forced to migrate to other places during a war or a flood. Bhuvan moves to the city. Bhuvan lived with his wife and children in a village. He was a farmer in a paddy field beside a river. 2 years ago, a
Dam
dam was built on the river, because of which the river
changed its
changed its
courses,
courses,
causing floods
causing floods in the area. As a
result.
Many people,
Including
Bhuvan,
became
became
less
jobless and
homeless.
He
He
had to move to a city with his family to
find.
find a job.
Very good. Sit down. You all clap for both. Good. Start.
है बकरी 2 गांव खा गई। एक आदमी आगरा की सड़कों पर रोता चिल्लाता घूम रहा था। लोग आश्चर्य में थे कि बाली बकरी गांव कैसे खा सकती है। आखिर ये खबर बादशाह अकबर तक पहुंची। बादशाह ने उस आदमी को देखते ही पहचान लिया। एक दिन बादशाह अकबर वेश बदलकर घूमने गए थे। पैदल चलते वे काफी थक चुके थे। उन्हें गन्ने के खेत में काम करने वाला एक किसान दिखाई दिया। वे उससे बोला, भाई थोड़ा गन्ने का रस पीला सकते।
నా పేరు అక్షర. నేను 5వ తరగతి చదువుతున్నాను. ఇప్పుడు నేను భారతీయ వీరులం పద్యం చదువుతున్నాను. భారతీయ వీరులం భరతమాత బిడ్డలం, మధ్యదేశ గౌరవం కాపాడే ధీరులం, శాంతి కోరు పాపలం, సమత పెంచు బాలలం. మేము వారి పౌరులం, త్యాగదనుల వారసులం. వేష భాషలేవైనా మతాచారం ఏదైనా మనం భారతీయులం, ఒకే తల్లి పిల్లలం. ప్రపంచాన మన దేశం ప్రతిభను నిలబెట్టుదాం. సైనికులం మనం ప్రజా సేవకులం. జాతి స్వేచ్ఛను అపహరించు శత్రువుని ఎదురించుదాం. విజయం సాధించుదాం.
జాతి
జయపతాక
జయ పతాకాన్ని ఎగరేద్దాం.
హిమశైల
హిమశైల కిరీటమై సముద్ర
పాదపీఠమై
పాదపీఠమై గంగా యమున